MCQ number 91. There are three classes of cell culture hood. This statement is true or not. Correct option is option 1. This statement is true. MCQ number 92. Which of the following lab equipment is used for maintaining a sterile environment while working? 1. Cell culture hood. B. Centrifuge. C. Inverted microscope. D. Magnetic stirrer. The correct option is option A. Cell culture hood is provide the sterile environment while working. MCQs number 93. Which of the following lab equipment is used for maintaining the cell culture? Petri plate, incubator, pH meter, water bath. Correct option is option B, incubator. MCQs 94. Was the first continuous cell line? HeLa 3T3, HEK 293, A549. The correct option is option A. HeLa cells was the first continuous cell line. MCQs number 95. What is used in order to avoid contamination in cell culture? Antibiotics, anticoagulants, antipyretics, antiseptics. The correct option is option A, antibiotics. MCQs number 96. Which of the following was the first widely used chemically defined medium? Eagle's basal medium, DMED medium, alpha MEM medium. D is Glasgow's MEM medium. Correct option is option A. Eagle's basal medium was first widely used chemically defined. MCQs number 97. Embryo initiation is facilitated by GA3, BPA, ABA, 24D. The correct option is option D, 24D. MCQs number 98. Which of the following culture is used for the production of primary and secondary metabolites? Option A, cell suspension culture. Option B, callus culture. Option C, protoplast culture. Option D, somatic hybrid. The correct option is option A, cell suspension culture. MCQs number 99. Which of the following does not act as a fusogen in protoplast fusion? A, 2,4-D. B, polyethylene glycol. C, calcium. D, PVA. The correct option is option A, 2,4. MCQs number 100. Increase the amount of oxygen in cell culture will be promote which part of plant tissue? Multi-layer tissues, meristem, shoot, root. Root is a correct option. MCQs number 101. Name the asexual mode of embryo formation. Protoplast fusion, callus culture, somatic embryogenesis, protoplast culture. The correct option is option C, somatic embryogenesis. MCQs number 102. Mark the incorrect statement about application of somatic embryogenesis. A, mass multiplication of germplasm. B, continuous cell line. D, production of artificial seeds. D, production of primary and secondary metabolites. The correct option is option B, continuous cell lines. 103. Which method is used to overcome cytoplasmic male sterility? callus culture, artificial embryogenesis, somatic embryogenesis, hybrid. The correct option is option D, hybrid. MCQs number 104. Which of the following statement is not true for artificial seeds? A higher cost method for multiplication, and no transplantation is required. Bactericide and fungicide can given. Artificial endosperm can be given. The correct option is option A. Higher cost method for multiplication. MCQs number 105. Cytokinins are adenine derivatives, guanine derivatives, cytidine derivatives, thymine derivatives. The correct option is option A. Adenine derivatives. MCQs 106. Which of the following is a natural cytokinin? A. Isopentenyl adenine. B. Zeatin. C. 6-isopentenyl adenine. D. 6-aminopurine. Correct option is option B. Zeatin. 107. The first kinetin isolated by Miller was from coconut endosperm, maize grains, herring sperm DNA, wheat grains. The correct option is option C. Herring sperm DNA. MCQs 108. The first natural cytokinin isolated from liquid endosperm was isopentyl adenine, zeatin, 6-isopentenyl adenine, 6-aminopurine. The correct option is option B. Zeatin. MCQs number 109. Agrobacterium tumefaciens Ti plasmid tDNA has genes for auxin and gibberellins, cytokinin and ethylene, cytokinins and gibberellins, auxin and cytokinin. The correct option is option D. Auxin and cytokinin. MCQs number 110. Which of the following is precursor of cytokinin? Adenine, guanine, cytidine, thymine. The correct option is option A. Adenine. MCQs 111. Cytokinins are predominantly present in permanent tissues, meristematic tissues, endodermis, cortical region. The correct option is option B. Meristematic tissues. MCQs 112. All are bioassays for cytokinins except chlorophyll preservation test, tobacco pith culture, rice seedling growth inhibition test, excised radish cotyledon enlargement test. The correct option is option C. Rice seedling growth inhibition test. Excuse number 113. All the statements are true regarding cytokinin except promote cell division, delay senescence, induced dormancy. D. Contract apical dominance. The correct option is option C. Induce dormancy. MCQs number 114. Cytokinin treatment enhance chlorophyll synthesis, chlorophyll degradation, protein degradation, water uptake. The correct option is option A. Chlorophyll synthesis. MCQs number 115. In tissue culture, high cytokinin to axon ratio cause root differentiation, shoot differentiation, both A and B, none of above. Correct option is option B. Shoot differentiation. MCQs number 116. In tissue culture, low cytokinin to axon ratio cause root differentiation, shoot differentiation, both A and B, none of these. The correct option will be root differentiation. MCQs number 117. Translocation of cytokinin is polar and takes place through xylem, phloem, both xylem and phloem. D. Capillary rise. Xylem is correct option. Excuse number 118. Tomalin is effective in increase apple size and is combination of auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin and ethylene, cytokinin and gibberellin, auxin and cytokinin. Correct option is option C, cytokinin and gibberellin. Excuse number 119. Which of the following hormone is involved in contracting apical dominance induced by auxins? Cytokinin, ethylene, abscisic acid, brassinosteroid. Correct option is option A, cytokinin. MCQ number 120. Are the protoplast cell divide? Cell wall, cell membrane, mass selection, both A and B. The correct option is option A, cell wall.